you know you're hot, it's all on you, cause you the show shot. Let's get up, look around, everybody see what's going down. Fellas on the side, if you're on the wall, put them dollars in the air, show me how you fall.
Alright, so hey YouTube, iRock235 here. Today is March 2nd. I got a package today from the FedEx, it looks like. See, FedEx, it's pretty long. It looks like it's from a guy on eBay, so I know what this is. You can tell by the description, or the video title, but hey, go ahead and unbox it here. It is a... Cut it without cutting myself. This is brand new. Sorry, this doesn't fully fit in the frame. There we go. This is a brand new. Hold on. Packaging slip. But it is a brand new HP Wireless Elite keyboard. It is the slim design with the chiclet keys. It looks like it's a spill-resistant keyboard. I didn't know that. Box is a bit beaten up, which is kind of sad, but hey, no biggie. Well, yeah, it's really beaten up, actually. Let me get this out. There we go. Okay, so, a lot of tape on this, jeez. Oops, I knocked the tripod, sorry. Leave it to HP to tape their stuff up. Okay. Dang, box is beaten to hell. Sorry. Alright, so. Looks like this little flap lifts up. And I'm going to be using this with my Mac. It should work, from what I can understand. Looks like some drivers of some sort for Windows. HP start guide. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so it looks like they want us to, look at that, turn on your computer. Who would have freaking guessed? Alright, so we got a little wireless dongle here. Since I believe it's IR, it has to have this, and it's got a clear, so I'm gonna bet it's got like a little LED or something in it. You know, it's the size of a USB flash drive. I mean, I wish they didn't have to have these, but hey, whatever. What are you going to do? So, here's the keyboard. Ooh, I like that. Here's the keyboard. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Looks really nice. It's got the chiclet style keys. Looks like it's got some batteries. Nope, looks like I gotta buy some batteries. I'll grab some from upstairs. Unless they're in here, maybe? No, it's not looking like any batteries are coming with this. It's got a little connect button up here. Yeah, connect button. It's got some little feet, as you can see there. It's really, really incredibly thin, you guys. Like, I'm not sure how well that's showing up on camera, but that is freaking thin. Let me pull out my phone. It's thinner than my iPhone. Even at the fat point, I think. It's thinner than my iPhone, so that's more than you can say about most keyboards. This has gotten really, really great reviews. It should work really well for me. I mean, it looks really cool, doesn't it? So, we'll have to see how this works out. I'll give you guys an update later on. And, yeah. So, I'll give you guys a review, and we'll go from there. So, I will see you guys later.